if m times the mth term of an AP is equal to, now is equal to means we should be clear when we are going to make an equation. This will become equal to n times its nth term, show that m plus nth, this is in combination, okay? M plus nth term is 0. Children, to start with, I've just written the common statement, let A1 B and D be the first term and common difference respectively. If we have first term A1 and common difference D, how do we write nth term? How do we write nth term? This way only.
A1 plus n minus.
A1 plus n minus 1 D. ठीक है ना बेटा? Now you don't have to worry that what is this mth term. This mth term could be 10th term, could be 11th term, 100th term, 73rd term, any term. We don't have to bother ourselves for that. Mth term is given. Jab an term is a1 plus n minus 1 day. So this means what will be mth term? We simply have beta jab hum 5th term likhte hain. So we replace n by 5. This n also by 5. Right? So when I'm going to write mth term, what it will be?
A1 plus
A1
minus
A1 plus n minus
1D.
1D.
Very good. Simply we shall replace n by m. So we don't have to worry that what is this mth term or pth term or qth term, कुछ भी आ सकता है. ठीक है? And what will be m plus nth term? Will it be a m plus n? That is the meaning of m plus nth term.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What will be there, beta? Instead of n, what will I have now?
M plus n minus
plus
1.
Plus n bracket.
M plus n minus 1D.
minus 1D.
Are you please clear with this thing? That only, this is called subscript, if you know. The subscript is going to be changed. Instead of n, it is becoming m. And instead of m, next time it is becoming n plus m. And likewise, this n will be replaced by m and this m will be replaced by m plus n. So you don't have to get worried ki what is this. You just have to change it accordingly. Are we clear till here, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, we are given that m times the mth term. M times means m multiplied by am. That is the meaning of m times mth term.
Yes, ma'am.
Equal is equal n times its nth term. N times its nth term, beta. N times its nth term. ठीक है? ये given है. Whatever is given, you just put the values and simplify it. So that means m into what is am?
A1
A1
plus m minus 1D.
minus 1d is equal n times a1 plus n minus 1d. Clear, bacha? Fine. Now
Yes,
this
ma'am.
means, let us open the bracket. Let us open the bracket. Multiply. M into a1 is,
MA1.
MA1.
now this thing. M is multiplied by d first. So m into d. Can you multiply this
MA1.
m into m? M square into d.
M square D.
M square D.
Are you getting it or should I simplify it in one more step? Are
No,
you
ma'am.
getting it?
Yes,
What?
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Getting it, na? Now this m is to be multiplied by minus 1
Minus 1.
minus md. Clear hai beta? Are you please
Yes,
clear with
ma'am.
this?
Yes,
ठीक
ma'am.
है?
Yes, ma'am.
This side. n into a1. a1 n
A1.
plus n into n.
N square D.
N square d. Very good. And what is the last term we will get?
Minus ND.
Minus ND.
Minus nd.
nd. Clear? Now let us rearrange. Let us rearrange. Rearranging means bring things on one side. Let us bring things on one side. So this will be A1M. A1M will come this side. क्या हो जाएगा?
minus A1.
Plus.
Plus M square D. I'm keeping the like terms together. Minus N square D. They look similar, na? Same type. So I'm combining them. Minus MD
Plus ND.
plus ND equal
0.
0.
0.
0. Now from here, what can I take something common from the first two brackets?
A1.
A,
A1.
A1.
In the bracket M minus N beta plus. Anything common from these two brackets?
D.
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 Anything common from these two brackets?
D.
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 Clear? Are you please clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now see beta. It has got M minus N. This has also got M minus N. And this M square minus N square, how can we put it?
Good morning, ma'am.
M plus N. M minus N.
So M minus N is common.
Good morning, ma'am.
Ayush, class is going on, please. So M minus N, M minus N, M minus N is what? Can I divide the entire equation by M minus N?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So divide by M minus N. Now if I divide by M minus N, children, what do we get? What do I get? What is left here?
A1.
A1.
Plus
A1.
D into M plus N.
minus.
D.
All right. Which can further be written as A1 M plus N minus 1 Bolo beta. Is it fine? From these two brackets, I have taken D common. So this becomes M plus N minus 1. Yes? And what is this equal to?
0. अच्छा, A. This is
That
equals to
A
A. M
M plus
N.
N is equal to 0. Hence proved.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Supposed to prove. So, hence proved. Children, this was the question asked in CBSE 2020 for 4 marks. The question was find X. Nowhere in the question it was mentioned that we are talking of an AP. Now, if you look at the question just like that randomly in your exam, what will come to your mind? Honest responses. How will you start with this question? Anyone?
Sx is equal to 287.
Yes, Sn is equal to 287. And what is X here?
AN.
AN.
AN. Very good. So, since nowhere in the question it is mentioned that you are dealing with an AP, so you will have to write. What will you write? The given list is an
It
AP.
forms an AP.
Forms an AP or is an AP, whatever your language you want to write, is an AP with first term A1 equal what?
1.
What is
1.
1? Common difference
2.
AN equal, sorry, common difference AN. Sorry.
A2
Common
minus
difference B. 4 minus 1 you will show. You will show the
3.
steps. 3 an is equal to x and Sn is equal to
287.
287. So in indirectly ways आपको Sn का formula apply करेंगे. What will you apply, children? The formula of Sn.
Yes.
And whatever you get, you will find the value of An, then x will be calculated. X is An, that is A1 plus n minus 1d. I have A1, I have d. The only thing missing is the value of which variable?
N.
What is
N.
n? The value of variable n. Ananti, you want to say something, beta?
Yes, ma'am. मैम कल के क्वेश्चन जैसा नहीं कर सकते हम इसे.
Sorry?
मैम उन्होंने में मेंशन नहीं किया कि ये एपी है या नहीं है, तो हमें
it's
प्रूव
not
नहीं करना होगा A3 माइनस A4 माइनस A3.
Clearly, this forms an AP is fine. The question in itself is such a long question. We cannot do all this thing. Okay? So I'm just writing here that clearly the given list is an AP. All right. So now let us apply the formula of Sn. Now Sn means n by 2. What else?
A1
beta?
plus AN.
2a, that will not help because n is unknown, x is also unknown. So that
2A1.
formula will not work here. है ना? That formula works when I have values of more than 2 variables. Here I just do not know n. If I put an as x, x is also unknown. I will get stuck. So twice of a1 plus n minus 1d is equal to 287. Let us put the values. N by 2. 2 into 1 is 2a1. D is 3. So 3n minus 1 is equal to 287, beta. Just simplify it. Just simplify it. Right? So now this gives me n by 2 in the bracket 2 plus 3n minus 1 is equal to 287. As we can see in the bracket, there is no multiple of 2. There is no multiple of 2. So shall we take 2 that side?
Excuse me,
Shall I
ma'am.
multiply?
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am,
bacha.
it should be
Ma'am,
3.
3n minus 3.
Right. So to get rid of 2, I am multiplying the equation by 2. So this will be n, 3n minus 1 in the bracket. And what is 287 into 2, children?
574.
Okay? Let's open the bracket and make a quadratic equation here. 3n into n gives me 3n square minus 3n minus 574 is equal to 0. All right. Now, beta, we need to factorize 3 and 574 for what value?
मैम
For what
3n square minus 3n और
minus 1n. For what value do we need to factorize this?
No, ma'am, it's
3
minus 3.
for 1. है ना? So let us see prime factorization using factor 3. 3 into 574. Let 3 be as it is. 574.
2
Does it
and
come-
287.
2 and 287. Okay. Yes, that is how we got it. 2 and 287. Next.
7 and 41.
Okay. 7 and 41. Now 41 is a prime number. 41 is a prime number. So let us pause there and see. 7 2s are 14. 14 3s are 42. So are we getting the factors with us?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Which one will be negative? 42 or 41?
42.
42.
42.
One is in negative. So 3n square minus 42n beta plus 1n minus 57 plus 41n
41.
minus 574 is equal to 0. All right. Now from here 3n will be common. So 3n gives me n minus 14 plus 41 is common. Again, n minus 14 is equal to 0. This gives me n minus 14, 3n plus 41 is equal to 0, which means n is equal to 14 or n is equal to minus 41 by 3. Doesn't belong to natural number, so this is not possible. So what is the value of n?
14.
14.
But are we supposed to find the value of n or x?
X.
X.
And what is x? And what is x? What is
AN.
x? An.
AN.
So now an, sorry, x चाहिए ना तो x लिख लेते हैं. Now x is equal to an is equal to a1. An, n is 14. So x is an means a 14. जी बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
14 is a1 plus 13d. A1 is 1, D is 3. So that is equal to 1 plus 13 into 3. 13 into 3 is 39. 39 plus 1,
40.
T.